Hi friends, this is a snow globe. Have you ever seen a snow globe in person? There's usually water inside a real one and you shake it, shake it, shake it, and there's snowflakes that come down. And there's also some kind of design inside. So on this one, you're gonna be as creative as you would like to be and make something inside. You can use stickers, you can use pencils, you can use markers, colored pencils, stickers. I know I keep repeating myself, but anything you want here. I like Disney, so I'd probably put a Disney sticker in here. I'd write my name on top, color this any way you like, and then you have some snowflakes down here that you can cut out or have help cutting out, and then you can glue them on here. But be creative, use your imagination, decide how you want to create this before you get started, and then go for it. Have a really good time with it. Bye, friends.